Hello my acquaintances! This is another Hallomeme makeup costume outfit tutorial on Abbey Bominable from Monster High because I really love her design. She's like a snow bunny, abominable snowman type epic. So, you know, I really tried here. Like I'm sitting down and I still have the shoes on. Check it out. Anyways. So, yeah. If you wanna see how I did the makeup and picked out the outfit, because that was kind of tricky. And how I added stuff to the wig to make it, and then yeah, how I did the whole thing, the bottom fangs, everything, then just keep watching the video. If you don't like it, watch someone else's tutorial. I know Kitty's mama had some good ones back in the day. And so, yeah. Alright, so obviously we're going to start with the outfit. Her outfit was really hard to work out because I don't have anything that's even really close. Or if the colors are close, the silhouette is wrong. And it's a whole ordeal. So, I'm going to get into this. And, you know. Alright, this is going to have terrible audio because it's right between the AC and the fish tank. But it's the only place I could get a full body view of the outfit because of my boots. Alright, so, I really couldn't decide between just kind of ignoring what she was actually wearing and going for like a snow bunny type outfit, but I thought I would just kind of combine the two ideas because she does give big snow bunny vibes, but like, I don't know. So, and you know what also? I used to have white fur cuffs and leg warmers from Black Cat, but I just have these blue tights because she has like these blue and pink ombre type pastel leggings, and it's just the closest that I had. And then of course I have these, like, I think these are Sugar Throws boots, and they're purple, which kind of fits in her palette. And they have these fuzzy at the top, and I thought that they would work good. And then I have this cardigan here just to kind of cover this arms some because I didn't want to paint my arms. Alright, so just like last time, I don't think I mentioned the earrings. So she has like an icicle and a snowflake, so I put what was closest to that. That's like a starburst, and this is like a crystal thing. Came with my chromey earrings. So, priming. So, let's get the same thing as my last one. The Laneige Water Cream. Take a foundation brush and take that same palette. Oh gosh. Light blue in that palette. Yeah. And you know the drill. We're just gonna go all over the place. Okay. That's a lot. And your skin's honestly paler than this. So I'm gonna set it with a lighter blue because this is more of like a lapis lazuli type blue, and she has more of like a baby blue. This brush, I don't know what, it came with this palette, and I'm just gonna kind of cake it on there and cake it on my face. Alright, I don't know if the color's better or worse, but the paint is set, so that's what matters. And she is a skinny legend, so I'm gonna contour. Take, I think, this blue right here and this contour brush. Actually, I don't think I can fit that in there. I'll have to take this little brush that's the same shape and dip it in there and so makes a little bit of a difference here. Seems to make a lot of difference, like then when I look into the camera, nothing. So has a lilac-y purple in the lid. Don't have that in here. Oh, I know where I have one of those. It was in here because that's the one that they sent to me broken. No. Let's take an eyeshadow brush. I'll take the purple eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna, it's kind of pinky purple. So I hope it go across the lid. I don't know why I did that before the crease. So I don't usually do that. But also, alright. I don't know why I did that. She has like a hot pink in the crease. So I'll do that now. And I'm going to be using the same hot pink that I used before, which is Dollface in the, actually, no, I'm going to be using Sweetie in the Vivacious palette. It's slightly a different shade. And let me take crease brush and put that in the crease. And it's kind of just turning purple because of it's going over blue. So let me try and layer that up. So that's as pink as I could get it. It's still a little bit purpley. And then I'm just going to go back over the purple because since I did the crease second, it kind of fell down into it and, you know, messed it up a bit. So more like true purple, royal purple, and the crease in a little line there. So that would be Intergalactic. The shade Ultraviolet on a small brush and wet the brush to create kind of like a liner Oh no, the purple, I do have a purple eyeliner, but it's like metallic. And it's kind of the wrong color, so I'm wetting that and just going right in the line. This is not working as well as the other one. Right? It seems like that's the best we're gonna get with that. It's not getting any better, it's really just getting worse. So, now, we're gonna do eyeliner. Let me clean up a bit here. And we are going to do that the same way as last time with the NYX Strictly Vinyl liner. And then I might actually just use this on the lower lash line as well. I don't know. I'm just going to do this off camera because you've seen eyeliner get done a million times. So the eyes are just going to kind of look shitty till I get the false lashes on. And I was thinking, based on last time, maybe I should have just waited till I put the false lashes on to put mascara on. Because maybe it would have been a bit easier. But look at me. Because I just follow a routine every time, so. Alright, and next, she has like dark purple eyebrows. So I'm going to take an angled brush and a darker purple. Let me see. I'm going to take this color Dark Matter and just, I might make my eyebrows a little more angled instead of following the natural shape, but so there's the eyebrows, and I will get on to lips. And she honestly has like the same exact lips that Draculaura has. In one of her looks, I think she has like a blue or like a teal lip, but for the sake of this, I'm going with the same thing I did before, which was hot pink lipstick. This is Cheer Bear. And once that dries, I'll apply the lip gloss on it. And so I'm going to do some highlighter. And I'm going to be using my Winter Falls in LA highlighter by Wet n Wild. The Ice Dragon set. Makes sense, makes sense. Just taking my finger and putting it on her nose because she has it on her nose. And then she has some on like her forehead. Like all around her forehead. And if we're applying it this much, then I think it would just make sense to do it on the right there, and then just a little more on the nose. So we're like that. I might actually get a brush. A fan brush to put it on her forehead. My lips have never felt stickier. So let's stick on some false lashes. Go ahead and wet or well, not wet them. Get the glue on them. I have done everything else, right? Yes. Okay. This was actually a lot smoother. So there's the lashes. Oh, I feel like a bitch. Like, I feel like her, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so next I have to get on the wig. And I don't know where that is right now. I have to find it. Alright, so this wig actually used to be straight, and then I tried to dye it mint green for Splatoon, and you can see a little hint of mint green in there maybe, but it did not take the dye very well. And it's also curly because I tried to style it like Splatoon, and it did not work out. And I had to get a new wig, and that wig came and it was the wrong color, and I tried to dye that and that also didn't work. So I am going to try and straighten it just because she does have like straight hair. And I think the curliness is kind of killing the vibe that she has. That bitch, rich little bitch, I just been a rock on my kicks vibe. Alright, and for the fangs, I actually made these bottom fangs for the judge because it's a cat and they have both teeth, you know. So that's what I did for that, and I added all the tinsel and pink streaks to the wig, and I am going to apply whatever headband I think looks best and show you the whole look all together. So it's kind of impossible to get a full body of this because of the boots. But this is the upper half, and if you can see the boots, there they are. So that's kind of the whole thing. Oh my gosh, one of the teeth is breaking. I gotta do the intro quick. So, yeah. That's the whole thing. And I'm sorry I can't get a full look at it because the shoes are just too tall. So, you know the bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters.